Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer your Chainlink tokens from MetaMask to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the rising importance of security in the crypto world, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Ledger is a smart move to protect your Link tokens from online threats. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need MetaMask installed on your browser with your Chainlink tokens in it, and your Ledger Nano X fully updated with the latest firmware. Don't forget to install the Ethereum app on your Ledger, since Chainlink is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Step 1. Open MetaMask and go to your wallet. Select the Chainlink token from your assets list. If it's not showing up, you might need to add it manually by searching for the contract address. Step 2. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on the device. This will allow you to access your Ledger's Ethereum address. Step 3. In MetaMask, click on Send for your Chainlink tokens. Now, switch to your Ledger. Use the Ethereum app to display your receiving address. Carefully copy this address into MetaMask as the destination. Enter the amount of Link you want to transfer, and review the transaction details like gas fees. Step 4. Hit Confirm in MetaMask, and approve the transaction on your Ledger device by following the on-screen prompts. This adds an extra layer of security. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, which might take a minute or two, head back to your Ledger and check the Ethereum app to verify that your Chainlink tokens have arrived. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Chainlink to a safer spot. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use official tools. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there. Thanks for watching.